Ethical Guidelines for Digital Humans, Recommendations from the Digital Human Council. The Digital Human Council, established in April 2023, has been actively discussing the social implementation of digital humans. In October 2023, they released the Digital Human White Paper 2023, outlining the technical aspects and anticipated use cases in Japan. However, as more social implementation cases emerged, the Council decided to release this opinion paper to share their thoughts on the desirable usage methods and gather feedback from readers. While the opinions expressed may not represent the consensus of all members, the Council believes that openly sharing their discussions will contribute to better social implementation. Recent advancements in video and voice technologies have enabled the creation of highly realistic digital humans. Breakthroughs in machine learning have made it possible to generate high-quality text, images and voices, allowing digital humans to perform complex and diverse tasks. While these developments offer opportunities to address social issues such as labor shortages and free people from unnecessary work, they also raise concerns about potential misuse, such as copyright infringement and deepfake-related troubles. Digital human businesses need to take appropriate measures to ensure proper usage. The Digital Human White Paper 2023 outlines several recommended use cases for digital humans, including optimizing hospitality, acting as personal avatars, being compatible partners, providing practice opportunities, serving as confidential conversation partners, offering reliable consultation, and more. Examples include digital humans used in pharmacies for product recommendations, online shopping websites for personalized assistance, and metaverse environments for customer service. Digital humans can provide one-to-one, personalized experiences by leveraging big data and adapting to individual preferences and needs. While digital humans should be used within the scope of the law, there are certain usage methods that businesses should avoid. These include using digital humans for violence, adult content, political or religious statements, propaganda, or as deepfakes for spreading fake news or hate speech. Businesses should also be mindful of intellectual property rights, such as copyrights and publicity rights, and obtain necessary permissions when using the likeness, gestures, or voices of individuals. Additionally, businesses should adhere to relevant guidelines, such as the AIR Business Guidelines provided by the Ministry of Internal Affairs and Communications and the Ministry of Economy, Trade, and Industry. Digital humans are being utilized in various fields, such as entertainment, education, and healthcare. In the entertainment industry, virtual characters are deepening interactions with fans. In education, digital humans are functioning as teachers and supporting learning. In healthcare, emotion recognition technology is being used to enable natural conversations with patients. With the latest advancements, digital humans can understand emotions in real time and provide user-tailored responses, evolving from mere tools to entities that build trust with users. AIR plays a crucial role in data analysis and personalized content delivery for digital humans. By analyzing user behavior patterns and needs based on collected data, AIR can provide optimal content and services. The high-quality text, images, and voices generated by AI have enabled digital humans to perform more complex and diverse tasks. These advancements in AI have led to task automation, accurate predictions, and the ability to offer algorithmic insights and support critical decision-making in various fields such as education, finance, and healthcare. However, digital humans still lag behind humans in certain complex tasks, and their usage scope should be carefully considered. The integration of digital humans and AI creates new possibilities for UX design. Personalized interactions can be achieved by leveraging users' past behavioral data to provide individually optimized support and content. Interactive and seamless experiences can be realized through the combination of real-time data analysis capabilities and digital humans' conversational skills. Transparency in data management is expected to increase, allowing users to trust and utilize services more confidently. The ideal UX/UI design for digital humans should prioritize transparency, consistency, responsive feedback, and user-friendliness. Transparency can be ensured by clearly communicating how data is collected and used. Consistency in design and predictable operation should be maintained to enable intuitive user interactions. Responsive feedback should be provided to user inputs in a timely and appropriate manner. User-friendly design should be employed to reduce user burden and offer intuitive operation. To create trustworthy digital humans, several key elements must be considered. Transparency should be ensured by clearly communicating how data is collected and used. Privacy protection measures should be implemented to safely manage user data, and allow users to control their information. Ethical design considerations should be made in the development and operation of digital humans to gain user trust. Effective communication, including empathetic responses, consistent communication styles, personalized interactions, and the provision of clear and accurate information, is essential for building trust. Creating digital humans that users can form emotional connections with requires a focus on strengthening emotional bonds. This can be achieved through personalized experiences tailored to users' needs and preferences, enhanced empathy skills that allow digital humans to respond compassionately to users' emotions and situations, and the design of continuous interactions that make digital humans a part of users' daily lives. The integration of digital humans into UI is expected to shift from active to interactive, providing more intuitive and seamless experiences for users. Digital humans will serve as a central part of the UI, enabling natural and engaging interactions. Conventional button and menu-based operations will transition to conversational interfaces, allowing users to access services more intuitively. The transparency and trustworthiness of UI are expected to improve through the use of AI technology, enabling users to interact with confidence. The integration of digital humans and AI is transforming UX design, and businesses must strive to create innovative approaches that provide valuable and trustworthy experiences for users. The future of UX design will evolve towards more human-centered, reliable, and emotionally resonant experiences, driven by technological advancements. Businesses must harness these technologies to create next-generation UX designs that exceed user expectations. As digital humans become more prevalent, licensing concepts are expected to evolve. Digital humans may increasingly serve as brand ambassadors or influencers, potentially achieving commercial success. Multilingual capabilities will enable digital humans to enhance global communication, while integration with AI platforms will make them central interfaces for user interactions. The expansion of augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, technologies may allow digital humans to play significant roles in providing immersive experiences in education and entertainment. With the growth of the metaverse and Web3, digital humans are anticipated to offer more personalized interactions, leading to the development of interactive and decentralized platforms. As digital humans become more widely used, various licenses will be necessary to protect the associated rights and concepts. Portrait rights licenses will be needed to safeguard the rights related to the appearance and characters of digital humans, preventing unauthorized use or commercial exploitation. Copyright licenses will be crucial for protecting the rights associated with the design, animation, and voice of digital humans, ensuring proper revenue distribution to creators. Design and trademark licenses will be required when digital humans are used as part of a brand, maintaining brand image consistency and preventing misuse. Data privacy licenses may become necessary for the collection and processing of personal data by digital humans, ensuring compliance with regulations and protecting user privacy. AI algorithm licenses will also be important, ensuring transparency and ethical use of the algorithms that drive digital human behavior. The evolution of digital humans is expected to bring about significant changes in various fields, including brand partnerships, multilingual capabilities, AI integration, AR/VR expansion, and growth in the metaverse and Web3. Alongside these developments, a wide range of licenses, from existing rights to new concepts, will become crucial. Businesses and developers must adapt to these changes and develop appropriate strategies to address the emerging licensing requirements. When implementing digital human systems in real-world environments, careful consideration should be given to factors that impact the user experience. The choice of display devices, such as whether to show the full body or a partial view of the digital human and whether to display them at life size or scaled, affects the user experience and requires appropriate positioning. Input devices, such as cameras, should be selected and positioned based on factors such as whether the conversational partner's position is fixed or flexible and whether there are single or multiple partners. Microphones and speakers are crucial components, and their selection, placement, and noise reduction measures are essential, especially in noisy environments or when privacy is a concern. Other considerations include ensuring adequate communication infrastructure and power supply, as digital human systems tend to have higher bandwidth and power consumption requirements. Implementing digital human systems involves integrating various technologies, such as rendering engines, motion data, including lip sync, voice synthesis, language models, LLMs, speech recognition, including microphones, and image recognition, including cameras. The combination of these hardware and software components significantly impacts the user experience. When implementing these systems, decisions must be made regarding local processing, on-premises environments, or cloud-based solutions, considering factors such as latency and user perception. Error handling is crucial, as exceptional behavior in digital humans can greatly impact the user experience, and appropriate error processing and transitions should be designed. Most importantly, the successful implementation of digital humans requires strong project management and integration skills to navigate the intersection of multiple technologies, development, and design aspects. When operating digital human systems, several factors should be considered to ensure effective usage and data management. Transparency regarding the AI nature of digital humans should be maintained, and decisions should be made on whether to explicitly indicate this to users based on the application and target audience. Clear signals for the start and end of conversations can help provide structure to interactions and maintain user engagement, particularly in installed services. Continuous monitoring of digital humans, including conversation content and behavior, can be valuable for measuring their effectiveness. However, the extent of data storage and utilization should be determined, and necessary permissions and data handling measures must be implemented accordingly. The rights and management responsibilities associated with the collected information should be clearly defined between the system providers and the implementing parties. While digital humans can be used to encourage desired behaviors by providing persuasive conversations, they should not be employed for mind control or brainwashing purposes. As digital humans have the potential to influence people's actions, strict ethical guidelines must be established to prevent misuse. The same rules that apply to human advertising should be applied to digital human advertising. The content displayed by digital humans must comply with relevant laws and regulations, such as copyright laws and the Act Against Unjustifiable Premiums and Misleading Representations. While the Ministry of Internal Affairs and Communications has released guidelines for AI-based advertising, and other ministries are working on various standards, the specific domain of digital humans as advertising media requires further discussion and collaboration with relevant government agencies. As digital humans become increasingly sophisticated, distinguishing them from real humans becomes more challenging. The debate continues on whether to explicitly indicate if a conversational partner is an AI or a human, as both approaches have advantages and disadvantages. To engage in smooth conversations, digital humans require real-time analysis of conversation histories. However, Analyzing and utilizing conversation data for purposes other than the conversation itself without the consent of the other party may be considered a violation of privacy protection. The accumulated conversation data becomes valuable and can be utilized in various industries. As the data collected by digital humans holds more significance than traditional personal information, the protection and utilization of this data should be discussed from a national perspective, considering international circumstances. The rules for balancing rights protection and utilization need to be based on an international context, and ongoing monitoring of the global situation is necessary. While digital human businesses should avoid illegal activities and adhere to relevant guidelines, Japan currently lacks specific guidelines for digital humans. As a result, it is unclear which guidelines should be prioritized. Businesses need to address risks and fill the gaps between the ideal and reality through their own efforts to gain social trust and promote the adoption of digital humans. The Digital Human Council will continue to discuss these issues to ensure that digital humans are implemented in a way that benefits society.